What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Boys, the grind session, the suck, the F I don't want to do this, but daggone it, it's got to get done. About to show you all about that. We're going to do some Project Frostbite stuff, and I've got some badass parts for Pop's car to show you. Let's go. So you're probably asking yourself, what the f is that? Yeah, boys, that is Frostbite's dash. After a long discussion, we're like, you know what? We need to just pull it, because old cars, lots of wiring that people have done over the years, jacking with stuff, not put together or installed in the car right, and other problems. Let me go show you what the other problems were. All right, so first thing, obviously we had to swap the pedals. So I knew we had to do that, but we've been there too many times. We get a car all back together, didn't do the heater core, and the heater core start leaking. So that was the second thing. And the last thing is, we had wiring everywhere, from alarms, and yeah, there it is. Old alarms, I guess alarm systems, I don't know. It just made sense to pull it. Why I'm glad we really did is right here. Yeah. I'm telling you guys, your car sits any length of time, it's gonna cause you problems. And we would have had problems had we not pulled it. So luckily we found that before we fired it up and anything got damaged. But it's gonna make it 100% easier to swap these pedals out. Fresh heater core, so we know it's good. I mean, it just makes sense, and the car was pretty much all apart anyway, so not a big deal. So one rather unique find. As many times as I've looked at this car and worked on this car, I never noticed it had pillar gauges. There's a freaking boost and an air fuel. So this car was an original V8 car. But I guess at some point it had some sort of boost on it, which was kind of wild. Everything was all hooked up. But yeah, you never know what you're gonna find. All right, so the cool thing is, these pedals I just pulled out of Pop's car. Going right back in this car. Why it's cool, it's already got brand new pedal pads from LMR on it. And we already got the aluminum quadra on there, so just bolt those in. That'll be super simple. Yeah. Fun times. That's also going to give us a good opportunity to get everything clean back here as far as just dust and dirt. Clean all the HVAC out, put the fresh heater core in, pull all the BS wiring. I know pulling a dash isn't fun, but really and truly at the end of the day, it's the best way to do it if you want to get everything right, and it'll definitely make life easier, like if you are swapping pedals and all that other stuff. So that's what we're doing. All right. She's a 5-speed. Oh, did I mention I hate doing pedals? Funny thing, I'm always doing pedals. Anyway, that is done. I think that's a good stopping point for the day. Dash gutted, junk wiring out, and pedals converted. Not too bad. All right, boys, switching gears a little bit back at the house. But real quick, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but I am rocking some of the fresh merch from thefoxcast.com/shop. Guys, when I tell you the merch in the store is top notch, it's freaking top notch. The screen printing is absolutely amazing. They're UV protected. They'll last forever. My good buddy Michael Johnson makes all these. He's done our Ford Takeover shirts for years. The hats, quality embroidery, like this stuff is legit in the store. I wouldn't sell anything less, and it's freaking legit. So And also, we've dropped the 5.0 hats, and they are selling fast. They may be out of stock by the time you read this. If not, you definitely need to grab one of those. Don't forget, every $5 spent in the store gets you one entry to win that Tremec T56 Magnum. We're coming down to the wire on that one. Make sure you stop by the store now and grab something. Okay, boys, so I alluded a while back that I had some stuff for Pop's car. Oh, hold on. Y'all see that? You guys know LMR just dropped those in the store, the like laser metal cutouts of all the different Fox body generations. They even have the new Edge and other stuff, but I finally got mine painted. I couldn't paint it before because I got it before my car came back, but you can see I matched it as best I can with just some rattle cans, but it came out amazing. Didn't have to prep it or anything, just kind of wiped her down and gave her a spray. But anyway, back to the store. I alluded I had 3 parts for Pop's car, and this is just the beginning, because now that Pop's car has the Convo Pros on it, I'm kind of in love with it again. So let's get to part number 1. So my good buddy Jared Suderman a while back saw the video where I was talking about Pop's car doing the 1-wheel peel, and that I needed to get a diff for it. Well, he just swapped from this Auburn to, I believe, a Strange. He's like, dude, I've got this Auburn. I believe it's either a Pro or an HD. Either way, it's fucking phenomenal piece. I've run these in the past. He's like, if you want it, it's yours. So huge shout out to Jared Suderman for coming through in clutch. We now have a diff for Pop's car. No more 1-wheel peel. These things are phenomenal. Highly recommended. But I'm not done. All right, next part for Pop's car. That's right, boys. We got a converter for it. This is going to be the B&M 2400 stall. I did a lot of research. I'm not real good with automatic and matching converters with cams and all that other stuff, simply because all of my cars have always been manual. So I did a bunch of research, and for a fairly mild cam, mild combination, which is what Pop's car is, this is perfect, and I'm excited. No more beating, banging against the converter, no more stalling out when you put in gear. I mean, this thing is going to solve basically all the problems, and we're going to get out of the hole quick. I can stall it up, get a decent launch, which means I'll have to take it to the track. But I'm still not done. All right, boys, and last part for this round, I don't even know what round we'll call this, maybe stage 2, is a shift kit to clean up the lazy shifting in the AOD. Got the B&M shift kit. That will pretty much, with the converter, that's going to make Pop's car basically crispy on the shifts. I mean, I'm very excited. This is my first time actually messing with an AOD Fox body, to be really honest. Out of the 20 plus I've owned, they were all 5-speed. So I'm in uncharted waters here. There's your part number here. But like I said, Pop's car is a basic combo. So we don't need anything fancy. We don't need high dollar converters. We don't need all this crazy stuff. All I'm simply trying to do is match the converter better with the combo under the hood and clean up the lazy shifting from the AOD, which that's just kind of what they do. So yeah, you can spend a lot more money. You can buy a lot better stuff. But for this simple basic combo, the B&M stuff is perfect. It's gonna make a world of difference. All right, boys, so lots coming on Project Frostbite. Guys, if you haven't signed up for the premium subscription, you need to get in. Link is always down below to get in on the premium subscription. Also, don't forget, stop by thefoxcast.com/shop, grab your merch, top quality freaking merch, and I may just be shipping you a T56 Magnum as well. Lots going on. Ford takeover is drawing near. I can't freaking wait. So if you start to notice bags under my eyes, that's why. But Ford takeover is going to be legit this year. Super excited about it. Lots of cool new stuff popping off, and man, I can't wait. All your boys, stress-free environment, badass rides. I mean, what is not to love? So guys, all manner of evil coming. to the channel. Make sure you're subscribed. If you enjoyed this one, please give me a big thumbs up. Catch you on the next one.